Alright, David Harry here. So it's been 3 or possibly even 4 updates to Warzone Mobile since the release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in order for it to be compatible with the S24 Ultra. So what I'm going to do in this video is give you an example of some gameplay which will definitely give you a really good idea of just exactly what the graphics look like on the S24 Ultra. So to do this, what I'm going to be doing is to plug my S24 Ultra into a Samsung DeX station and then record a HDMI output to an Atomos Ninja V, and that'll just basically give us, like, you know, near enough the best possible quality that we can get to judge these things. So this will actually be done in 4K 60 as well. Now, although the recording is in 4K 60, the game isn't in 4K internally in the phone. It just gets upscaled on the output, but nonetheless, I'm going to go for the highest possible settings on the phone, and then we'll get a really good idea of what it's like. Now, to do this as well, I'm going to be controlling it with a PS5 controller. It just makes it a bit easier in these situations where you're playing out to an external monitor and then recording through HDMI and stuff. Now, just before I dive into this example, just a couple of quick things here. I'll be doing a video very soon which will show you how to install a specific configuration file into the actual directory for the game inside the phone, which will allow you to then switch to 120 degrees field of view. So I'll be supplying like a link for the download for the file and then show you how to install it. It's super easy, so keep an eye out for that video. And then on top of that, if you're into just pure gameplay videos, check out my gaming channel at www.thegamething.com. On there, I've already got like a load of Warzone Mobile videos done on the S23 Ultra and also on like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and various tablets and stuff. But I will now be starting to do a lot of gameplay with the S24 Ultra. Anyways, let me get into this gameplay.
Team deathmatch. All Sabre, you've got the nod. Weapons free.
1-1 requesting CAS. Covering your six!
We're on the advance. Keep the pressure, lads.
Requesting airstrike. Target mark. Enemy in area.
Clear hot.